Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you use Starlink services or Starlink internet connection. This video might be interesting for you. Couple of months ago, I am purchasing Starlink internet standard kit. I am very much happy about this services. In this video, we will see if you want change or you want cancel this subscription. So what is the process and how you cancel this subscription? It's very simple process. How to do it? Let's start on my Mac screen. You can do this same process on Starlink application as well. This is the Starlink website, reliable high-speed internet from space directly. I just simply click here 3 line and enter here directly on my account. I already enter here in my account. Here bunch of other options are available. Referral options is also available. If you want order this Starlink kit, you should use my referral link and receive 1 month internet absolutely free. We can click here home, and here your subscription option is available. Inside the subscription you can see here service plan, and currently I am using residential light. If I click here manage, and here the cancel services is available, you just simply click here. Your services will continue throughout 28th of February 2026 if you cancel today, and you just simply add here the reason why you are cancel the subscription. Performance is not okay, or you just simply select here randomly any other services, like service is too expensive. You can just simply type here, or I want transfer performance I'm not receiving. Afterwards this one continue to cancel. Your subscription is very easily cancelled using these tips and tricks. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question related on Starlink internet, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.